and Services, Professor Daves L. Tonga, to the President of Bicol University Association of Non-Teaching Staff, Ms. Mary Jane A. Vicuña, to the President of Bicol University Union of Faculty Association Incorporated, Engineer Fernan D. de Mapera, to the President of the University Student Council, Ms. Remy Stephanie P. Baldorado. May we request lahat ng students occupying yung nasa baba ng LED wall, LED, please vacate the area. Again po, lahat ng mga PathFit students occupying sa may LED area, please vacate the area po. Please go to any near station or area na pwede po kayong maglagay. Pero hindi po dyan sa ilalim ng LED. Maraming salamat, students.
Once again, this is the 2023 Bicol University Olympics with the team Biueños, stronger together through sports for humanity.
Starting today, October 24 to 28, 2023.
Inviting everyone, of course, padaraplusan sa Bicol University, Zumba para sa komunidad, handog ni Regent Joey Sarte Salceda, Year 2, with Joshua Zamora and BUIPESR Zings. On October 28, 2023, 5 o'clock p.m. onwards, here at the Bicol University Albay Sports Complex.
Everyone is invited, not only the Biueños, but the community outside Bicol University are invited. Mga taga-Legazpi, mga taga-Daraga, saan mang parte ng Albay are all invited to the again Zumba para sa komunidad, handog ni Regent Joey Sarte Salceda, Year 2, with Joshua Zamora and the BUIPSR Zumba instructors.
Kaya naman, Biueños, sandalo ba kayo? Medyo mahina, Biueños, make some noise! Alright, in a few minutes, we're about to start our program. Once again, this is the 2023 Bicol University Olympics.
Biueños, stronger together through sports for humanity. Okay, now approaching the parade po. Papunta na po dito. Please again, all the students who are now on the track, please vacate the track. Nandiyan na po yung parade natin.
Ladies and gentlemen, approaching is the National and Bicol University colors.
Together are the college banners and the Bicol University Marching Band. Again, ladies and gentlemen, the National and Bicol University colors. Approaching, ladies and gentlemen, are the Bicol University Marching Band and Majorettes. Headed by none other than Mr. Francis Revilla.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, andito na ang ating BU Marching Band. Palakpakan naman natin, everybody.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Bicol University Marching Band.
And of course, right after the BU Marching Band, now approaching ang ating from the General Administrative Support and Services.
Headed, of course, by our SUC President for Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, our Vice President for Academic Affairs, and Director of Auxiliary Services, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Morris. Our Vice President for Administration and Finance, Attorney Norly P. Reyes.
Also is the Vice President for Planning and Development, Professor Sonny A. Ramos, and the Vice President for Research, Development and Extension, Dr. Marisa Ann Australia.
Isang masigabong palakpakan sa ating General Administrative Support and Services.
Once again, ang ating General Administrative Support and Services.
Piueños, isang masibagabong palakpakan sa ating Bicol University Administration.
And once again, ang ating GASS ay binubuo ni none other than Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, our Chief President for Dr. Maria Julieta B. Morris, the Vice President for Academic Affairs, and at the same time, Attorney Norly P. Reyes, the Vice President for Administration and Finance, and Professor Sonny A. Ramos, the Vice President for Planning and Development, and Dr. Marisa Ann Australia, the Vice President for the Research, Development, and Extension. Once again, thank you so much to our General Administrative Support and Services.
Ladies and gentlemen, our participants from the Office of the Vice President for Planning and Development.
Let us also welcome our participants from the Bicol University General Alumni Association Incorporated, headed by President Engineer Devon and Rodrigado.
At syempre, bigyan naman natin na masigabong palakpakan ang Bicol University Association of Non-Teaching Staff Incorporated, or BUS.
Headed of course by Miss Mary Jane A. Vicuña.
At ngayon naman, now approaching at bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan ang ating Bicol University Student Council!
Headed by President Remy Stephanie P. Palderado.
Ngayon, Sir Dan and Professor Grace ay makikita naman natin pag dumadating dito sa ating field, of course, ang ating downer ng unit from our different colleges. Unahin natin ang Bicol University Open University.
Headed of course by Dr. Benedicto P. Balilo Jr. And of course, ang ating participants from the Bicol University Graduate School, headed by Dr. Maria Jane Mascareñas.
The Bicol University's home of successful professionals and molds their academic progress still in the university. We have again, ladies and gentlemen, the Bicol University Graduate School.
Once again, headed by our beautiful Dean, Dr. Maria Jane B. Mascareñas. At syempre, right after the BU Graduate School, hindi naman mapapahuli ang ating participants from the Bicol University College of Law.
Headed of course by the Dean, Attorney Joseph Martelata, PhD.
College of Law. Students, raise the bar too high and we'll try to raise it even higher from the College of Future Attorneys. Again, ladies and gentlemen, the College of Law.
Once again, wala bang iyawan at sigawan dyan, College of Law!
Isang masigabong palakpakan para sa delegation ng College of Social Sciences and Philosophy.
Headed by none other than the attorney Alex P. Nepomuceno, PhD, together with their sports coordinator, Mr. John Axel Octita, CSC President, Ms. Maria Jacinta L. De Leon, CSSP CSAC, Professor Tania Lana Año-Nuevo, and the Sports Committee President, Mr. Roberto Villamor.
CSSP, mapatalino, mahuhusay at matitibay. They have what it takes to be the face of the game. Up front and fighting are the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy.
Wala bang iyawan at sigawan dyan from the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy! At syempre, pagkatapos ng CSSP na nandito na talagang pulang-pula, ngayong hapong ito ay dediretso tayo sa ating susunod na tatawagan. Maraming salamat sa ating CSSP from the Sociology, Philosophy, Social Work, Political Science, Peace Studies, and Psychology. Alright, malamang naman natin CSSP! Diretso tayo sa ating susunod from the College of Dental Medicine.
The Dean of the College of Dental Medicine is Dr. Charlene A. Lucilio. Together, of course, with the CSC President, Lance Pahe, the Sports Coordinator, Dr. Glyza Joyce A. Elvira.
They might be new to the game, but for sure, their smile will make their opponents sway. For a chance to start the round, here we welcome the College of Dental Medicine!
Isa pa nga, sigawan naman dyan, College of Medicine, Dental Medicine! So ngayon, Prof. Grace and Dr. Dan, makatapos ng College of Medicine, hindi naman magpapatalo. Of course, ang Jesse A. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development.
Welcoming our participants from the College of Medicine. The College of Medicine is headed, of course, by the Dean, Dr. Ophelia Samar C.
Hindi ako papayag na walang malakas sa hiyawan from the College of Medicine!
The home of great doctors and medical professionals. Indeed, their students are testament of success and perseverance. They're ready ready to take the adrenaline, the College of Medicine!
Katulad nga ng sinabi ko mula sa future doktor ng bayan, diretso naman tayo sa ating mga susunod na lingkod bayan. Ladies and gentlemen, ulitin na natin from the Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development.
Headed, of course, by the director of the Bicol University, Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development, Dr. Noemi L. Ibo, the Associate Coordinator, Professor Alan S. Albaitar, the Sports Coordinator, Professor Neil B. Hugo, and the CSC President, Mr. Christian Bongon.
Tunay na angat sila sa lahat, where they full blast their armor to challenge their opponents in this year's Olympics. A loud yes from Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development.
Wala bang sigawan dyan, BU, JMRIGD! At makatapos ng BU, JMRIGD, siyempre, andito na ang ating susunod na delegasyon mula pa sa ating College of Science. Make some noise, everybody, for the College of Science!
Headed, of course, by the OICD, Dr. Romel Ivan Bahe, the Sports Coordinator, Mr. Jerome Azul, and the CSC President, Ms. Meryl C. Mora.
Mula sa kolehiyo ng mababango, malilinis at makikisig, our scientists for humanity are ready to raise their ranks as they display good sports minds. Clap your hands for the College of Science!
Ulitin ko, wala bang sigawan dyan for the College of Science? Once again, ladies and gentlemen, now happening is our parade for this afternoon for the 2023 Bicol University Olympics. At ngayon, to have the recap of our parade, we're done with our College of Science, JMRIGD, College of Medicine, College of Dental Medicine, College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, College of Law, Graduate School, and Open University, together with our USC and the rest of our non-teaching and retired staff, the BUGAI, and of course ang ating Union of Faculty Association, and the General Administrative Support and Services. Ngayon, now approaching, it's our from the College of Industrial Technology.
College of Industrial Technology is headed by their Dean, Dr. Jonathan C. Arroco, together with the Sports Coordinator, Dr. Gilmore T. Olfino, CSC President Vincent John Torres Loretirreña.
Nagbibigay ng pag-asa para sa kinabukasan. Teknolohiya, tapang industriya, kolehiyong
Andito na ang mga taga-kolehiyo ng mga matipuno at masino. They are ready to upstage everyone who will come their way. Give it up finally for the College of Industrial Technology. Once again, palapakan naman po natin for the College of Industrial Technology.
Make some noise from the east because they will surely be the best from again the College of Industrial Technology.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2023 Bicol University Olympics. Now, right after the College of Industrial Technology, ay dire-diretso na tayo sa susunod na college. We have the College of Nursing.
The College of Nursing is headed by Dr. Jean Annette S. Ibo. The Associate Dean is Dr. Mary Joy P. Sadne. The Sports Coordinator is Professor Rodel A. Nino Franco. And finally, the College Student Council President, Mr. Paul Aaron Ala.
One of the top nursing school in Bicol is here bringing utmost care and service to their patients. Equally caring to the university, they are the College of Nursing.
And for the last time, make some noise, College of Nursing! At makatapos ng ating Bicol University College of Nursing, dediretso na tayo sa ating susunod, ang ating Institute of Design and Architecture. Kaya naman mga future Archie, magingay, make some noise!
The Institute of Design and Architecture is headed by the Director, Architect Leo L. Del Rosario. The Associate Director is Architect Maureen M. Sia. The College of Student Affairs and Services Coordinator is Architect Virgilio M. Montero. The Sports Coordinator is Architect Jobel N. Bartolome. And the College Student Council President is Mr. Carl Malone L. Lorelia.
They master architectural design and they have artistry and perfection. They are not only amazing minds, but also they capture hearts. From East Campus, we present to you again the Institute of Design and Architecture.
nakapwesto tayo dito sa ating unang area na kung saan nandito na ang College of Industrial Technology. Siyempre, ang ating College of... yan! Siyempre, from the college, ito ay... Make some noise! JMRIGD! Okay, ngayon naman, now approaching, ladies and gentlemen, from the College of Business, Economics, and Management.
Headed by the Dean of Bicol University, Business Economics and Management, Dr. Dimson M. Rivero, the Associate Dean, Professor Sheila B. Descuyo, Professor Niva M. Mario Llagas, the CSAS Advisor, the Sports Coordinator, Ms. Gemma Abienza Sarte, and the CSC President, Ms. Rowan P. Alorin. Again, everyone from the College of Business, Economics, and Management.
They're way beyond the best as they are the team to beat. They are the greatest contender, ready to beat their competitor. Go, Suben! You are beyond the best!
Kaya naman magigay ulit in 1, 2, 3, magigay si Ben! Once again, now happening is our 2023 Bicol University Olympics. We are here on our parade, ladies and gentlemen. Makatapos ng College of Business, Economics, and Management, ay susunod na ang ating BU Tabaco!
Bicol University Tobacco Campus Dean is Dr. Maria Giselle N. Ortega, together with her sports coordinator, Miss Justiniel Gonzalez.
From the 6 United Departments entering the portals of BU Olympics, from Tabaco to BU Main Campus, scream wild, shout loud, BU Tabaco!
Lakasan nyo ba? BU Tabaco! Naman na Professor Grace and Dr. Dan mula po sa 1st District ang ating BU Tabaco. Diretso naman tayo sa 3rd District of Albay. But this time, let's give it up with our BU Bolagi! Once again, now approaching, ladies and gentlemen, ang BU Pulangi!
The Bicol University Pulangi is headed, of course, by the Dean, Dr. Mary Joy Katangki. The Associate Dean is Dr. Maria Mercedes Rimon, and the College Student Affairs and Services Coordinator is Professor Ben L. Saminiano.
They are the Oragons from the 3rd District of Albay. Their distance is not a hindrance, but their delegation is a force to act on. Let's cheer Bicol University for the Bicol University Pulangi Campus!
Sa muli, wala ba malakas sa iyawan dyan? BU Pulangi! Professor Grace Naserdan mula sa 1st District sa BU Tabaco. Kanina dumiretso na tayo sa BU Pulangi sa 3rd District. Balik ulit tayo sa 2nd District. But this time, isa na naman po ito talaga naman the home of Oragon from the College of Arts and Letters. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, now approaching, we have the Bicol University College of Arts and Letters.
The Bicol University College of Arts and Letters is headed by the Dean, Dr. Irene R. Moral, and of course, the Associate Dean is Professor Marnie A. Morano.
Mula sa kolehiyo ng magagaling, matatalino at matatapang, their talents are truly beyond we can imagine. From one domain to another, Bicol University Olympics is about to conquer by the College of Arts and Letters.
Kaya naman malakas sa iyawan bulit, College of Arts and Letters! And Professor Grace, Dr. Dan, mula sa Albay. Punta muna tayo sa isa pa nating kaibigang probinsya, ang Sorsogon. Specifically, dito sa ating Bicol University, Gubat!
The Dean of the Bicol University Gubat is the Director of the Bicol University Gubat is Dr. Rosemary R. Haji. And the Associate Director is Professor Jerome H. Estillier. The College Student Affairs and Services Coordinator is Miss Christine Ann de Alagdon Laguerdia. And the Sports Coordinator is Professor Gilbert E. Lopez. And the College Student, the CSC President is Miss Annual B. Peralta.
All hail to the province of Sorsogon represent. Despite their distance, they are able to show how mighty they are as one of the satellite campuses of the university. Ladies and gentlemen, from Gubat Campus!
Mga mahina, lakasan niyo pa! Bio, Gubat! At this point, isa talaga ito sa aking inaabangan, ladies and gentlemen. Kaya naman, alam ko, excited na tayo dahil balik ulit tayo sa probinsya ng Albay. Let's give it up with another one. Here for the 3rd District, the BU Kinubatan!
The Dean of the Bicol University Ginubatan is Dr. Rosefe B.D. and the CSC President is Miss Elmira Rose Z. Rances.
The Ginobateños are ready to stay another day, another opponent, and another championship mula sa kolehiyo ng mga palaban, Bicol University Ginubatan.
Pwedeng isa pa ba na mas malaki? BU Ginubatan! At ngayon, talaga namang patindi ang ating mga dumarating mga delegasyon. Pagkatapos ng BU Ginubatan, dediretso na tayo sa ating College of Education!
The Bicol University College of Education is headed by Dr. Lorna M. Miriam. The Associate Dean is Dr. John Mark Mayor. The BUC CSAC, Dr. Edison A. Perez. The Sports Coordinator is Dr. Analisa C. Pasano. And of course, the College Student Council President, Mr. Ivan Palensya.
Mga maestro, asin maestra, sila rin ay mga tunay na atleta. From their teaching arsenal to be a professional. They are ready to fight for the final. Keep a fight, College of Education!
Sa muli, wala bang iya, wala malakas dyan, College of Education! And now, ladies and gentlemen, right after the College of Education, now approaching, ito naman, ang ating College of Engineering! Sa muli, bigyan natin ng isang masigabong palakpakan ang SENG or the Bicol University College of Engineering!
They are ready to battle you with all they can, not just because they're handsome. From runners-up fun, they rank up. Welcome, College of Engineering!
Once again, this is the 2023 Bicol University Olympics with the team BUNYOS Stronger Together to Sports for Humanity. Once again, College of Engineering!
The College of Engineering is headed, of course, by the Dean, Engineer Dr. Amelia B. Gonzalez, our Sports Coordinator, Engineer Victor Flores, the CSAC Engineer, Hannah Maika C. Gaton, the CSC President, Mr. Giancarlo E. Bagasbas, and the Buseng Sports Club, Sami B. Barotilio.
Genetic, electrical, mechanical, civil, mining, chemical. Variety of courses, but one, this is for sure. Sabi nga nila, SENG is surely kolehiyo ng mga pogi. Shout loud, Bicol University College of Engineering!
Kaya naman wala magsigawan dyan, College of Engineering! At ngayon, ito naman talaga ang isang inaabangan naman natin lahat. Ladies and gentlemen, now approaching here, of course, our Institute of Physical Education, Sports, and Recreation!
The Institute of Physical Education, Sports, and Recreation is headed by the Director, Professor Karina L. Sales, the Sports Coordinator and the CSAC, Professor Robert B. Madrazo, and the CSC President, Adrian P. Mangampo. We also have the University Sports Coordinator, Professor Hilario Andrew L. Revilla III.
The back-to-back champion! Basta makusog, maurag, asin masiram, taga sa iniyan, taga IT yan. Show your support as they gone for a third straight overall championship. Vamos, Bicol University Institute of Physical Education, Sports, and Recreation.
Sa muli magigay, IPESR! Pwede ba bang isa pa? Ulitin ko, IPESR! And also, Sir Dan and Ma'am Grace, now approaching is our official candidates for Mr. and Miss Bicol University 2023.
For the Mr. and Miss Bicol University 2023 from Bicol University Pulangi Campus, Mr. Christian Rayondanga and Miss Jodeline Mendoza. From Bicol University Guinobatan Campus, Mr. John Ray Kasimsiman and Miss Andrea Olivere.
Our candidates for Bicol University College of Engineering, Mr. Isaac Ruvillas and Miss Marie-France Rico. Our candidates for Bicol University Institute of Design and Architecture, Miss Liza Masbate and Mr. Franklin Tarsidilia. For Bicol University College of Science, Mr. Robert Barnard and Miss Aina Marie Saba.
From the Bicol University Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation, Mr. John Balya and Miss Leia Campit. From Bicol University College of Law, Mr. Earl Vista and Miss Leia Usi. From Bicol University College of Industrial Technology, Mr. Justin Harmon and Miss Moira Villarmino. From Bicol University College of Business Economics and Management, Mr. Jay Preñanes and Miss Monica Arango.
For Bicol University Tabaco, Mr. Zeth Magdaong and Miss Harcilia Bigiras. For Bicol University Gubat, Mr. Winson Yu and Miss Almira Isler. For Bicol University Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development, Mr. Justin Reynoso and Miss Angel Ahero. For Bicol University College of Medicine, Mr. Joshua Panga and Miss Angelica Santo.
From Bicol University College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, Mr. Clintwood Baruga and Miss Angela Tino. From Bicol University College of Arts and Letters, Miss Summer Ontalan and Mr. Summer Ontalan and Miss Julianne Dizon. From Bicol University College of Education, Mr. Jaymar Barcenas and Ms. Rica Barakel. And from Bicol University College of Nursing, Mr. Dio Viterbo and Ms. Cassandra Avina.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our candidates for Mr. and Miss Bicol University
2023.
Once again, i-cheer nyo naman ang inyong kanya-kanyang candidates for Mr. and Miss Bicol University 2023.
Thank you very much to all our participants. In this opening parade, we would like to request all the delegation to please stay on your designated post as we are going to start our opening program.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, live here at our Bicol University Albay Sports Complex, this is the 2023 Bicol University Olympics with the theme, Buenos, Stronger Together, to Sports for Humanity.
Yes, thank you very much, Floyd. And of course, everyone is excited sa mga kaganapan ngayong hapon na to. Hindi na po natin patatagalin. Atin ang i-open ang ating second part of the program, our opening ceremonies. To start with, we shall have our Chief Presidential Management Staff Officer, Dr. Reyna O. Havalot, to give us Thanksgiving prayer.
This will be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem by the Bicol University Marching Band and the opening salvo, which will be given by the Bicol University Bagayon Dance Troupe and Galing Biueño Singers.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, our dear students. Welcome, everyone, to this exciting event in our beloved Bicol University. And to express our gratitude to the Lord for bringing us all here and to invoke God's presence and guidance in this 5-day University Olympics 2023. May I invite everyone to join us in this moment of prayer. So may I request everyone, for those who are seated, to please rise. Almighty and Heavenly God, we come to you with our humble and grateful hearts, overflowing with joy and happiness. We express our gratitude to you for the gift of life, love, and togetherness as one Bicol University family. Thank you for making us part of the 54 successful and fruitful years of our beloved Bicol University. We thank you, Lord, for this year's University Olympics with the theme, Buenos, Stronger Together Through Sports for Humanity. A celebration of the university's sustained efforts in making sure that all its stakeholders are in their finest in all facets. All praises and thanksgiving to you, dear God, for surrounding us with generous, supportive, and nurturing people who made Bicol University great as it is now. Our BU founders, the boundless and transformative leadership of the past and present Board of Regents, the past and present university presidents, vice presidents, deans and directors, department chairpersons, faculty members, non-teaching support personnel, and our beloved Bicol University students then and now. Similarly, we continue praying for blessings as we express our appreciation and gratitude for all our guests from our partner institutions and agencies for happily celebrating with us this momentous occasion of our beloved Bicol University. As we open this year's Bicol University Olympics, we lift up to you, Lord, all our athletes, participants, coaches, and tournament managers in the various events. You have blessed them with countless gifts and talents, physical strength, mental fortitude, and lightness of spirit. We sincerely pray that you help them play in a way that fosters self-discipline, goodwill, camaraderie, friendship, sportsmanship, and teamwork. Give them courage and confidence to give their best. Fill them with a spirit of fair play. Make them gracious in winning. Make them brave and delighted in their efforts. Win or lose, let them enjoy and have fun. Make friends and celebrate life. Keep them safe and strong under your protective care. We also pray for good weather, that our athletes may enjoy their games and all those involved in the different events. May they be safe and sound in body and mind. With all the gifts and blessings
you bestowed to our beloved Bicol University, we continuously pray that you bless BU with more achievements and sustained strength and perseverance as we continue hoping and heading towards becoming a university for humanity characterized by productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character for sustainable societies. And may the presence of each one of us here as one academic community be an expression of our intent and prayer for world peace. All this we pray in the mighty name of God, through Jesus Christ, and with the intercession of our Blessed Mother. Amen.
Ladies and gentlemen, the entrance of colors in the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bicol University Sports Development Program presents the 2023 Bicol University Olympics with a team, Biuenos, Stronger Together to Sports and for Humanity. Ladies and gentlemen, to give us the opening salvo, let's give it up with the BU Magayon Dance Troupe and Rock Biueno Dancers.
Again, everyone, let's give it up to Galing Biueno singers together with the Bicol University Magayon Dance Troupe for the opening salvo. We would like to acknowledge our sponsors in today's event, Congressman Elizalde Co of Ako Bicol Party List, former Congressman Christopher Quito Co, Regent Joey Sarte Salceda, Davis Paint, Pi Sigma Fraternity, Bicol University General Alumni Association Incorporated, Converge, and with us, ladies and gentlemen, this afternoon, all the way from Benguet State University, and the owner of the fitness station, the partner of BU IPSR BICES internship program, Ms. May Venturina.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, for the third time, let's give it up now for the opening salvo to be given to us by the BU Magayon Dance Troupe and the Rock Biueno Singers.
Kahit saan naman mapunta, di mo ay ipapamalas. Pinahig kay katapiyuan nyo. Kahit subukin man ang panahon, sabay-sabay pa rin tayo ngaon. Dahil kailan ba'y hindi nawawala, pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa. Biueno, hangin sumay, sa tuturing na ating tampay. Puso'y nakinig ng Biueno halik. Ikaw at ako, Biueno. Nanonood ay lumipas, galing ng Biueno, hindi kumukupas. Nanonood ay lumipas, galing ng Biueno, hindi kumukupas. Tulong-tulong abutin mga hangarin natin. Kahit hanggang magpunta, kailan ba hindi susuko. iba'y ng panahon. Kahit tayo ay magkakaiba, ngunit tayo pa rin ay nagkakaisa. Iuwelo ang iyong sumay, sa tutunin ang ating tagumpay. Sulitingin ang iuwel natin, ikaw at ako, iuwel tayo. Ang oras ay lumipas, galing ng iuwelo ay di umupas. Ang oras ay lumipas, galing ng iuwelo ay di umupas.
Bicol University Magayon Dance Troupe. Together is the Galing BUNU Singers, the Bicol University Majorets, and the Bicol University Athletes.
At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, we shall listen to the welcome address of our Vice President for Administration and Finance and the University Athletic Board Chairperson, no less than Attorney Norly P. Reyes.
Thank you, Dr. Dan. Good afternoon! Mahina. Ulitin ko nga. Good afternoon! Okay? To our guests, we have Honorable Congressman Alfredo De Los Santos, representative of Ang Provinciano. Honorable Christopher Co, former representative, Ako Bicol Party List and Base W Party List. Honorable Congressman Elizalde Co, ako Bicol Party List. Honorable Congressman Joey Sarte Salceda, representative of the 2nd District of Albay. Honorable Governor Edsel Grex Lagman, Governor of the Province of Albay. To the members of the Bicol University Board of Regents, headed by our chairperson, Commissioner Alden A. Darilag. We also have in our midst our Student Regent Remy Stephanie Baldurado, and our Faculty Regent, Engineer Fernan de Matera. To the Bicol University family, under the stewardship of beloved University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, my fellow BU officials, deans and directors and officials of our various colleges and units, our guests from our 3 partner state universities and colleges. We have here today the President of Benguet State University, Dr. Felipe Comila, and his group. We also have representatives from the Philippine Normal University and the Tarlac State University. And especially to all BUeños, friends, ladies and men, good afternoon once again. On behalf of the Bicol University Administration and as chairperson of the Bicol University Athletic Board, I welcome you all to one of the most awaited, exciting, and fun-filled activities in BU, this year's Bicol University Olympics. To our partner SUCS, welcome to BU as you observe the spirit of sportsmanship and camaraderie, the Bicol University way. To our student athletes, enjoy and ensure a healthy competition among yourselves and always exhibit the highest sense of sportsmanship. You are not here simply to win, but also to gain friendships with your fellow BUeños. It matters not whether you win or you lose, but being competitive by nature, I'm sure winning matters a lot. But I hope it will not affect the greater benefits of sporting events such as this, which is to develop the sense of unity and fellowship as part of being members of a university for humanity. As you advance in your respective competitions, be reminded of what Orrin Woodward, a New York best-selling author, said, and I quote, "Find a victory in every defeat to remain hopeful, and find a defeat in every victory to remain humble." To our university personnel, take this opportunity to watch the games and competitions and participate in this week-long activity. This also serves as our short break from our daily office routine so that at the end of the week, we shall be reinvigorated to face another round of usual challenges in our workplaces in the days and weeks to come. To our friends, guests, and spectators, welcome to Bicol University as you cheer for your respective players and teams. These BUeño athletes surely need your support as they play for and raise the flag of their respective colleges and units. More importantly, enjoy and be delighted as you witness one of the iconic activities in BU, the Bicol University Hataw. In closing, let me leave you this quote from Imam Ali, who said, "Two things define you, your patience when you have nothing, and your attitude when you have everything." I sincerely hope, my dear athletes, that you will have your patience and perseverance, not only when you were training for this week-long celebration, but more so when each of you start winning for your team, for your college, and for Bicol University. Sa muli, isang pagbati at welcome to the 2023 Bicol University Olympics. Thank you, and once again, good afternoon.
Once again, thank you so much, Attorney Norly P. Reyes, the Vice President for Administration and Finance and University Atlantic Board Chairperson, for that wonderful welcome address. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we're still here live at the BU Albay Sports Complex for the 2023 Bicol University Olympics.
We're live stream of the Bicol University official Facebook page, facilitated of course by the Communication and Public Relations Office, headed of course by Dr. Renalyn E. Bautista. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us come to one of the highlights of our activities, the presentation of the candidates for the Mr. and Miss Bicol University 2023.
Kahit saan man mapunta, galing mo ay ipapamara. Ngunit ika'y tataguyuin nyo.
Kahit subukin man ang panahon, sabay-sabay pa rin tayong aahon. Ngayon kailan may hindi nawawala, pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa.
This is Carissa Nuloya Riundanga, 21.
And this is Jodeline Bersabe Mendoza, 21. And we are proud to represent Bicol University, Pulangi!
Ay lumilipas, galing ng diwenyo, ay di kumukupas. Bawat oras ay lumilipas, galing ng diwenyo, ay di kumukupas.
John Rick Simon, 19.
Andrea De Silio Olabaran, 19. Bicol University, Ginobatan!
Susungit, lahat kakayanin.
Tulong-tulong abutin mga hangarin natin. Tayo'y handang matuto, kailan may hindi susuko. Sa galing ng pamuno, tayo'y naging buo. Maan man ang maraming taon,
Tayo'y pinag-ibay ng panahon.
kahit tayo ay magkakaiba, ngunit tayo pa rin ay nagkakaisa.
Isaac Joseph Cuevillas, 21.
Mary Franz Santa Ana Rico, 19.
Representing College of Engineering.
Ay lumilipas, galing ng diwenyo, ay di kumukupas. Bawat oras ay lumilipas, galing ng diwenyo, ay di kumukupas.
Franklin Caruvago, Tardisilia. Franklin Tarubago, Tardisilia, 23.
Liza Marie Masbara, 22.
representing Institute of Design and Architecture.
When you pagbuloy ko lang umitatang oragon sa imandarhon na imapadaog sa rarok sa rebay may paglawang sa gabos dahil man ang ganda to na hinatutak na biyuwenyo pag sinabing biyuwenyo magaling siguradong titingal at inamumutawi ang pag-ibig sa iyong puso pagkat ikaw ay isang tunay na biyuwenyo.
Ibang klase ang galing-galing ng biyuhenyo, kayang pagmalaki kahit kanino.
Robert S. Barnard, 21.
Aina Marie Lopez Saba, 22. Bicol University College of Science.
Bayan 19,
Lea Joy Compete 21
from the Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation.
Kahit saan man mapunta, galing mo ay ipapamara. Ngunay kay tatak, biyuwenyo.
Kahit subukin man ang panahon.
Earl Vincent Hernandez Vista, 26.
Lea Joy Borilla Usi, 28.
From the home of the future Bicolano Lawyers, College of Law.
Galing ng biyuwenyo, ay di kumukumpas. Bawat oras ay lumilipas. Galing ng biyuwenyo, ay di kumukumpas.
Justin Harme, 19.
Mayor Zachary R. Bellarmino, 20.
From the Builders of the East, College of Industrial Technology.
Tulong-tulong abutin mga hangarin natin. Tayo'y handang matuto, kailan may hindi suko. Sa galing ng pamuno, tayo'y naging buo. Man ng maraming taon,
Tayo'y pinag-ibay ng panahon. Kahit tayo ay magkakaiba.
Good afternoon, Bicol University. I am John Day Batalier Triñanes, 22.
And I'm Monica G. Narango, 21.
Going beyond the best from the College of Business, Economics, and Management.
Galing ng biyuwenyo, ay di kumukumpas. Bawat oras ay lumilipas. Galing
Gabriel Magdaong, 19.
Harshilame D. Bigueras, 21, proud and honored to represent Bicol University, Tapaco.
Sa imandarhon, na imapadaog sa rarok, sa rabay, may paglahong sa gabos, dahil man ang gadang tu, na hinatutak, na biyu.
Wenson Dominic Arnaldo, 21 years old.
Almira Bowyer Barisler, 22, representing Bicol University, Gubat!
Justin David Reynoso, 18.
Angela Maria Hera, 19.
Jesse M. Robredo, Institute of Governance and Development.
Joshua Philip Panga, 23.
Angelica Santos, 22,
College of Medicine.
Sa tutuwin ang ating tagumpay, so'y nagniningin ng biyuin ng magaling. Ikaw at ako, biyuin na tayo. Panahon, oras ay lumilipas, galing ng biyuin nyo ay di kumukupas. Panahon, oras ay lumilipas, galing ng biyuin nyo.
I am Clintwood Iverson C. Baruga, 18.
Angela Sheriza Omnestina, 20.
Representing the Flame of the Phoenix, the
College of
Social Sciences and Philosophy. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Summer John Forrest G. Untalan, 21.
And I am Julian Sineta Dizon, 21.
Mula sa Kolehiyo ng Arte at Letra!
Oras ay lumilipas. Biuenyo ay di kumukupas. Ang bawat oras ay lumilipas. Ang galing ng Biuenyo ay di kumukupas.
This is Jmar A. Barcenas, 19.
And this is Rica May Barakiao, 21, representing the Center of Teaching Excellence, College of Education!
Biuenyo Pagbuyo di kulang umintot ang oragon sa imang darhon. Dang imapadaog sa rarok sa rabay may paglawang sa gabos dahil managandang tu.
Good afternoon, BUeños! This is Cassandra Beltrana Vena, 18, proud and honored to represent the Bicol University College of Nursing!
Kahit saan nang mapunta, galing mo ay ipapamana. Tunay kay tatak, Biuenyo.
Kahit subukin man ang panahon, sabay-sabay pa rin tayong aahon. Dahil kailan may hindi nawawala, pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa.
Biuenyo, halina't sumabay sa tutuwin ng ating tagumpay. So'y nagniningning ng Biuenyo magaling. Ikaw at ako, Biuenyo tayo. Panahon, oras ay lumilipas. Galing ng Biuenyo ay di kumukupas. Panahon, oras ay lumilipas. Galing ng
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the candidate for Mr. and Miss Bicol University 2023! And for more information in their upcoming pageant night, just visit the Bicol University Student Council official Facebook page. Once again, good luck, ladies and gents.
susungit, lahat ay kakayanin.
Tulong-tulong abutin mga hangarin.
Thank you again, our representatives for the Mr. and Miss Bicol University 2023. At this point in time, BUeños, we shall witness the hoisting of the Bicol University flag and the singing of the Bicol University hymn, to be led by none other than the SUC President for Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III.
Our president will be assisted by our vice president for planning, our vice president for administration and finance, Attorney Norly P. Reyes, our vice president for academic affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Boris, Professor Sunny A. Ramos, our VPPD, Dr. Marisa N. Estrella, our vice president for research, development, and extension, and of course, Miss Remy Stephanie P. Baldorado, the University Student Council Chairperson.
They will also be accompanied by the Bicol University Marching Band. hoisting of the Bicol University flag. Ladies and gentlemen, witnessing the hoisting of the Bicol University flag.
This is the school we wish to say, of the school to honor and revere, a temple built by men of firm, blessable for you to walk with pride, for He will always be united, although we tread on distant lands, we all shall cherish what you taught us, that you wholeheartedly gave forth. Bicol University, burning torch of wisdom, fount of courage, hope and love, seed of truth and light. Bicol University, burning torch of wisdom, fount of courage, hope and love, seed of truth and light. Fount of courage, hope and love, seed of truth and light.
Once again, thank you very much to our SUC President 4, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, and of course to our Vice Presidents.
And now at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we're now going to proceed, of course, with our none other than the messages of support. Now let's proceed now to the first one. Through audiovisual presentation, our Honorable Congressman Alfred Api de los Santos, representative of Ang Provinciano Party List. Please watch this.
Maraming daw po sa Indogabos. Ako po si Alfred de los Santos mula sa Ang Provinciano Party List at nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyong pag-invite sa inyong Bio Olympics 2023. Maraming salamat din po sa ating SUC President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres, at sa ating Vice President for Administration and Finance, at President of the University Athletic Board, Attorney Norlia Reyes. Ganun din po sa ating deans at school officials, at gusto ko din pong batiin ng magandang hapon si Governor Grex Lagman, Congressman Joey Salceda, Congressman Saldico, at Congressman Christopher Co ng Ako Bicol Party List. Higit sa lahat, gusto ko pong batiin ang lahat ng estudyanteng atleta sa sentro ng ating activities bilang Olympics 2023. Bilang inyong pong representative, kinikilala po natin ang kalagayan ng sports para sa holistic development ninyong mga estudyante. Sinusuportahan po natin lahat ng posibleng makakatulong sa inyo para maging mapabuti at produktibong mamamayan ng ating bansa. Kaya nga po tayo ay nagpapatayo ng multipurpose building sa College of Agriculture and Fisheries sa Ginubatan, Albay, at sinusuportahan po natin ang pagpapatayo ng BU-IPESR building sa Daraga, Albay, para po yan sa inyong mga minamahal naming estudyante. Ganon din po noong 18th Congress, tayo ay nagsubmit ng bill for strengthening local sports programs to develop young athletes. Ito ay naglalagay pondo sa ating National Sports Commission na ilalaan para sa mga estudyanteng atleta para makasali sa mga local sports club or sports organization para mapalalim ang kanilang training sa napili nilang sports. Ito po ay patuloy pa rin natin ipinaglalaban at pinag-aaralan pang ma-improve sa 19th Congress. Bilang inyong kinatawan sa Kongreso, sisikapin ko po na laging matugunan ang pangangailangan ng inyong mga paaralan para mas maging masaya at makabuluhan ang inyong pag-aaral dito sa BU. Makakaasa po kayo na hindi magbabago sa pangako nating ito dahil naniniwala ako ang mga kabataan ang lakas ng ating bansa para sa ikaunlad ng ating kinabukasan. Hiling ko sana na mag-enjoy kayo sa kanilang Olympics at matutunan ninyo ang value ng sportsmanship at camaraderie. Muli, maraming salamat po at Diyos mabalos po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you so much once again to our representative of Ang Provinciano Party List, Honorable Congressman Alfred Apid de los Santos. Another message of support, but this time to the former representative of Ako Bicol Party List and BHW Party List. Let's have Honorable Christopher Quito Co.
Sa Gabos po, maray na hapon. Ako po si Christopher Quito Co. Dati po sa Ako Bicol. Natapos ko po sa termino na tulong termino. Nagpalit po sa Kuyang Tugang si Elizalde ko na yun po nakatukaw mo niyan. And thank you po pala sa President Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres sa iyang imbitasyon, asin kay Director Karina Sales, BU Institute of Physical Education and Sports and Recreation, and the rest of behind the successful conduct of this Bicol University Olympics. Aram po nindo, dati man po ako digdi, Bicol University graduate, proud to be a Bicol University graduate. Nagtapos po ako digdi and na-surprise po ako dahil times 5 na po ang population ko niyan. Dati po kayo ito, nagkakarawat kami digdi ba ko paaro kayo ni kadakol ang mga estudyante. Kaya po, congratulations na lang po sa Magana, as in sa good luck po sa mga players. Aram po nindo, bakulang po ang sports sa mga estudyante. Abang nabubuhay kita kay puwanta po ang sports dahil ini po ang maray na practice para magkaigwan ng good health, makaiwas kita sa mga drugs, as in maski po magtapos po kita digdi, mag-enjoy pa rin kita sa mga sports. Araw po sa kuya, Nasa badminton pa man giraray ako, maski nagali na po ako sa BU. Nakagraduate, nagtatrabaho, nagkakawat man po giraray. Nganing ma-maintain ko po ang health ko, maging normal ang mga blood test. Ini po ang pinakasimpleng bulong sa tuyang salud. Sa giraray po, salamat po sa mga players and good luck sa inyo.
Thank you so much once again to our former representative of Ako Bicol Party List and BHW Party List, Honorable Congressman Christopher Quitoco. Maraming salamat, sir. Now, at this point, let's have another message of support. Let's have from Honorable Congressman Elizalde Esco, the Chairman of Committee on Appropriation and also representative of Ako Bicol Party List. Once again, Congressman Elizalde Esco.
Ladies, gentlemen, esteemed colleagues, Congressman Jill Bongalon, former Congressman Christopher Co, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Neves III, SUC President 4, guests from Benguet State University, headed by Dr. Felipe Comila, mga guro at estudyante, and everyone present today. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Today, as we stand on the precipice of excitement, energy, and camaraderie that the 23 Bicol University Olympics promises, I am filled with pride and hope for what this event signifies for our youth, our region, and our beloved country. The theme for this year's Games, Buenos, Stronger Together through Sports for Humanity, is not just a rallying cry for unity and competition. It embodies the very essence of our shared resilience and mutual aspirations. Ang temang ito ay sumasalamin sa di matatawarang lakas at determinasyon ng bawat Bicolano. As the representative of the Ako Bicol Party List, a staunch advocate for education and sports, I have always believed in the transformative power of integrating sportsmanship within the academic journey. It is through this holistic approach that we can forge our future leaders, individuals who are not intellectual, adept, but also embody discipline, teamwork, and most importantly, a depth of sense community. Sa bawat laban, may matututunan. Sa bawat tagumpay, may mai-inspire. With each match, we learn, and through each victory, we inspire. To all the student athletes participating, I want you to remember you carry the pride and hope of your respective colleges and the entire Bicolano community. Your endeavor is not a journey you take alone, but one that reflects our collective strength and unity. Kayo ang patunay na sa pagkakaisa, walang hindi makakaya. However, let us also remind ourselves that the spirit of sportsmanship goes beyond the accolades and the laurels. It is about bringing out the best in each, respecting one another, and uplifting the human spirit amidst adversities. It's about showing the world that we, Bicolanos, are a beacon of perseverance, compassion, and unwavering solidarity. Ipakita natin sa mundo ang galing at tapang ng Bicolano. As you compete, take a moment to look around you. These games are microcosm of the larger life awaiting you. You will see rivals, yes, but more importantly, you will see companions. They are your brothers and sisters in humanity, and together, you are all the bearers of our region's flame, illuminating the path towards a future where we all emerge victorious. Sa pagtatapos, nais kong ipaabot ang taus-pusong pasasalamat sa mga guro, school administration, at sa lahat na nasa likod ng 2023 Bicol University Olympics. Your commitment is a testament to indomitable spirit that fuels our quest for excellence in all fields. Mga kapwa ko Bicolano, let the games signify our unity, our strength, our capacity to rise together. Sa ating pagkakaisa, walang bagyo na hindi natin kayang harapin at lampasan. Mabuhay ang atletang Bicolano, lumalaban hindi lamang para sa sarili, kundi para sa ating lahat. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Salamat at mabuhay po kayo.
Once again, thank you so much to our representative of Ako Bicol Party List and the chairman of the Committee on Appropriations, none other than Honorable Congressman Elizalde Esco. Palapakan natin, everyone. And also, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our also representative of Ako Bicol Party List, Congressman Jill Bongalon. Palapakan po natin. Also, we would like to recognize the presence of the former representative of Ako Bicol and the Executive Director, none other than Honorable Pido Garbin. Palapakan din po natin. And also, we have our Daragak Municipal Councilor. We have Councilor Bob Magalona. And our, not other than from the city of Legazpi, we have Councilor Ed Lucila. Palapakan din po natin, everyone. And also, we have here Vice Mayor Martin Roses. Palapakan din po natin, everyone. Thank you so much, sir. And also, we have Mr. Phil Raybebar. Palapakan din po natin. Thank you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's proceed to the presentation of delegations in every college. The order of the presentations will be the Dean of the Graduate School, the Dean of Open University, and Coordinator of ITIAP, the Dean of the College of Medicine, the Dean of the College of Law, College of Nursing, College of Education, Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development, College of Science, College of Arts and Letters, Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation, Institute of Design and Architecture, College of Business, Economics and Management, College of Industrial Technology, College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, College of Engineering, Bicol University Tabaco, Bicol University Kinubatan, Bicol University Pulangi, Bicol University Gubat, and College of Dental Medicine. And also, we would like to acknowledge the arrival of the Municipal Mayor of Pulangi, Albay, none other than Adrian Salceda. Palapakan natin. And also, we have here the Albay Police Provincial Director, Sir Cunanan. Palapakan po natin si Sir. Thank you. Sir Fernando Cunanan.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we will now proceed, of course, to the presentation of delegation. So we will start with the Dean of the Bicol University Graduate School. So on behalf of our, none other than the Dean, we have here Mr. Dan Cabiles. Sir?
In behalf of the Dean of the Graduate School, Dr. Maria Jane Mascareñas, allow me to read her presentation. BU Graduate School joins everyone in celebrating BU Olympics 2023. From the strong 2,215 professional students in advanced education of BUGS and from the highly esteemed experts of Faculty of BUGS, we join everyone in welcoming the opening of this BU Olympics 2023. We wish for a healthy sportsmanship, brotherhood, and camaraderie among athletes, coaches, and all stakeholders, as there will always be winners and losers. That is the name of the game. What is important is we will all do our best and play our part as BUeños in this yearly activity, that of the university. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you so much once again from the Graduate School. Now let's move on for the presentation from Open University. On behalf of Dr. Benedicto B. Balilo Jr., we have our Associate Dean. We have Professor Jose Carlo Labepe.
Maray na hapon po sa Gabos. Tumayo po lahat ng BU Open University. I am proud to present to you delegation from Open University with 266 students in attendance via online all over the world. Mabuhay ang Bicol University.
Thank you so much once again from the Open University. Now, let's have from the College of Medicine, our very own the Dean, Dr. Ofelia M. Samar C.
Ano ba to? Mic test. To all BUeños, our esteemed guests today, good afternoon or good evening. I stand here today with immense pride and joy as the Dean of the Bicol University College of Medicine. It is a momentous occasion for me as we gather here to introduce the Bicol University College of Medicine contingent that is participating in Hataw for the very first time in our history. And not only that, but we also have ventured in a multitude of game categories with a grand total of 338 participants, composed of 105 Bicol University College of Medicine players, 149 Hataw dancers, 19 faculty members, staff, and coaches. Our contingent is a true representation of unity, passion, and dedication, and most of all, excellence for humanity. And this year's Hataw is not just a competition for us, it's an opportunity for us to showcase the spirit of Bicol University for humanity. We are not just here to win, but we are here to show the world, or the university rather, what unity, determination, and excellence look like in the midst of a very tough medicine course. And together, we will make history because we will win. And together, we will shine. Thank you all for being here today, and thank you to the Bicol University officials, especially the Olympics organizers, for making our first year in BU Hataw and second year in BU Olympics very memorable one. Thank you to all of you, and let the games begin. Mabalos sa Indugabos, Bicol University College of Medicine, hip hip! The Bicol University College of Medicine is the home. Yes, as they have said, it's the home of Galing at Talino. It's also the home of 100% approval rate by CHED for medical scholarship. It's the home of 316 medical scholars, one of the biggest medical scholars in the whole country. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to announce that this December, the opening for application period will now be on this coming December. Mabuhay ang Bicol University College of Medicine. Hip hip! Thank you so much.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the Dean of the College of Medicine, Dr. Ofelia Samarsi.
Now, let's move on with the Dean of the College of Law. We have Attorney Joseph L. Bartolata, PhD.
My fellow BUenos, our dear guests, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. As its Dean, let me formally present to you the delegation from Bicol University College of Law. BU College of Law is joining the 2023 BU Olympics, all in the spirit of fun and camaraderie, fair play, and sportsmanship. Again, ladies and gentlemen, from the home of future lawyers, we say, see you in court, in basketball court, in badminton court, and in volleyball court. Thank you all very much.
Thank you so much once again, the Dean of the College of Law, Attorney Joseph L. Bartolata, PhD.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the Dean of the College of Nursing, Dr. Jean Annette S. Ibo.
Nasaan ang nurses? On behalf of Dean Ibo, yours truly, the Associate Dean, Dr. Sande, at the BU College of Nursing, we are more than just brains. We've got the skills to play and win games. Home of top-notchers, we're here to attest. So stand up and shout it out loud. We're the College of Nursing, we are so proud. In health and sports, we'll always prevail. Nursing excellence will never fail. Ladies and gentlemen, an impressive contingent of 95 dedicated athletes and their supportive team of 19 skilled coaches from the College of Nursing.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the Associate Dean of the College of Nursing, Dr. Mary Joy Sande.
Now, let's move on to the Dean of the College of Education. May I now request Dr. Lorna M. Minya.
Good afternoon. I am happy to present 112 athletes, 28 coaches, joined by 65 faculty members and more than 300 students in this BU Olympics. From the home of the future teachers, the College of Education, good afternoon to all of you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Minya. Help me welcome the Director of Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development, Dr. Noemi L. Ibo.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Presenting the home of the new champions, the Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development delegation with Sir Neil Hugo as the sports coordinator
and 61 athletes. Go, go, go! Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development.
Thank you very much, Dr. Noemi L. Ibo, our Director of the Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development.
Calling in the OIC of the College of Science, Dr. Romel Ivan J. Pahe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is with great pride to present to you our delegation from the College of Science. We have 194 strong, skilled, and competitive athletes. They will be a force to reckon with, for sure. They are being coached by 14 coaches coming from the College of Science.
Thank you so much once again to the OIC of the College of Science, Dr. Romel Evan J. Pahe.
And ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the Dean of the College of Arts and Letters, Dr. Irene R. Moral.
Hello, Bicol University! Hello, Madlang Calibers! Mabuhay! It is with great pride that I present to you the champions of the West who got the spirit, ang matatalino, matatapang, talentado, at magagaling, at kailanmay hindi magpapatalo. 154 strong-limbed athletes for 15 events, joined by 15 dynamic coaches and 47 faculty members. Ang Team Kahel, the mightiest team mula sa Kolehiyo ng Arte at Letra.
Thank you very much, Dr. Moral. Help me welcome, ladies and gentlemen, the directors of the Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation, Professor Karina L. Sales.
Nagsisimula pa lang, tapos na ang labanan. Walang-wala kayo sa RPSR, home of the champions. The undefeated and still will be the champion, RPSR!
Once again, thank you so much to the Director of our Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation, Professor Karina L. Sales. Now, let's have the Director of the Institute of Design and Architecture, Architect Leo A. Del Rosario. And on behalf, ma'am.
Okay. In behalf of the Director of the Institute of Design and Architecture, Architect Leo A. Del Rosario, as the Associate Director, it is with immense pride that I introduce the physical and mentally fit delegates from Bicol University Institute of Design and Architecture, who will be representing our institute at the 54th BIO Olympics with a total of 185 talented athletes and 19 dedicated coaches. We are well prepared to take on this athletic challenge. We are ready to showcase not only our athletic prowess, but also the essence of who we are as an institute. As we step onto the field, we proudly carry the official mantra, sa Arki, maski kami diit, bako kami kidit. This reflects our determination to stand tall in the face of challenges. We invite everyone to join us in this journey of sportsmanship, camaraderie, and excellence at the 54th BIO Olympics. Angat arkitektura, angat ideya,
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the Associate Director of Institute of Design and Architecture, Architect Maureen Sia.
BUNers, help me welcome the Dean of the College of Business, Economics and Management, Dr. Dimson M. Rivero.
BUNers! Basta magaling! Sa sipem ng galing! With pride, I present to you 172 athletes and 15 coaches with 15 assistant coaches from the College of Business, Economics and Management! Go CBEM! Go beyond the best!
Thank you very much, Dr. Dimson M. Rivera. And at this point in time, let's hear it from the Dean of the College of Industrial Technology, Dr. Jonathan C. Arroco.
From the East Campus, I am proud to present the delegation of the College of Industrial Technology. Our faculty, personnel, and students have 100% participation. We have 175 athletes, 22 coaches. They will compete in 26 events. 738 will participate as hataw participants, and the rest will be part of the audience and cheering squad. Kung dai manggana kami, kung dai man magkampiyon, gigibuon mi ang gabos para sa patas na kompetisyon. Mabuhay Bicol University!
Thank you very much, Dr. Jonathan C. Arroco, the Dean of the College of Industrial Technology. And now, let's call on the Dean of the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, Attorney Dr. Alex B. Nepomuceno. BUCSSP Team Red Tiramisu, are you ready? Let's give way to Ariel and Company, the pride of CSSP. Woo!
이건 내 방식의 터클링 너만 dam지잖아 이건 내 방식의 터클링 Taste like chili Philly Dilly Taste like chili Chili
Dapat kasama ang ano yun! Disqualified!
Dilly Taste like chili Chili Dilly 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 Dilly
Team Red Tiramisu, let's make some noise! Red, pula, red, red, pula, pula, red, pula, red, pula, red, red, pula, pula, red, pula. CSSP, the only one, Singalasia. CSSP, second to no one. Again, let's make some noise. Red, pula,
Red, red, pula, pula, red, pula, red, pula. BU. The only one. CSSP. RO. I. Tiramisu. 3 plus 1. Tiramisu. Again, let's make a noise. Red, pula. Red, red, pula, pula, red, pula. Ladies and gentlemen, from the home of the consistent, top-performing school, the home of the servant legacy leaders, the college that is second to no one, proudly presents 192, strong, undefeated, kung default ang kalaban, delegates to the 2023 BU Olympics. Finally, let's make a noise. Red, pula, red, red, pula, pula, red.
Thank you very much, Attorney Alex B. Nepomuceno, PhD, the Dean of the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy.
Now, let's move on to our next from the Dean of the College of Engineering. We have here none other than Dr. Amelia Gonzalez.
Mga kabiyo, magdaog, makinig, mga kababayan ko sa College of Engineering. Ladies and gentlemen, I am formally presenting to all of you, more or less, 1,000 strong delegation consisting both students and faculty members, mga katropa, mga kapamilya, mga kapitbahay, mga kabarkada. Here they are from the home of champions, from the home of top notchers, the delegation from the College of Engineering. Go, go, Buseng! 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 Go, go!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the Dean of the College of Engineering, Dr. Amelia B. Gonzalez.
Help me welcome the Dean of the Bicol University Tobacco Campus, Dr. Maria Giselle N. Ortega.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Maray na banggi sa Indogabos. From the city of love and from the city where Pajak started, we are representing Bicol University Tobacco with 141 delegation athlete students and 10 coaches. Lugar kang may isog, asin, mamamoton ng mga tao, since we are known as City of Love. Maisog kasi kami mga taga-tabako. Dakulon kaming darang tabak ngunyan para makilaban sa Indo kang sa tuyang Olympics. But we will be sure that we will be fighting equally, equal, fair, and square. Again, good evening, and let's fight for the good of Bicol University.
Thank you very much, Dr. Maria Gisela N. Ortega, the Dean of the Bicol University Tobacco. And now, let's welcome the Dean of the Bicol University Ginupatan, Dr. Rosipe B.D.
Good afternoon, Bicol University. From the home of agriculture, food, and natural resources experts, I have the honor to present to you 121 mighty athletes. Sa PU Ginobatan, maski anong bola, maski niyog pa, dahil kami maatras, malaban kami para manggana.
Thank you very much, Dr. D. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Dean from the Bicol University Pulangi Campus.
Good afternoon, BUNO! Are we ready? Coming from the land of one people, one Pulangi, happy people, BU Pulangi! With the support of our beloved Mayor, Honorable Adrian Salceda, here with us. In behalf of our Dean, Dr. Mary Joy Katangi, I have the honor to present to you 160 abled, warm, sexy, healthy body of BU Pulangi, the winner. Kung sabi ng IPSR, tinapos nila ang game, kami mag-uumpisa pa lang para maging champion! BU Pulangi! Woo!
Thank you so much once again, ma'am, from BU Pulangi. Now let's move on to the director of Bicol University, Gubat. We have ma'am or Dr. Rosemary R.R.G.
BU Gubat, where are you? From the land of Kasanggayahan, we have 80 athletes, 30 personnel, and 1,000 angels with us. Oh! Asan ang tugtog natin?
Please play.
Nawawalang tugtog namin.
Thank you so much, ma'am, from the Bicol University, Gubat. Now let's have our last, but definitely not the least, from the College of Dental Medicine, we have the Dean, Dr. Charlene A. Lucilio.
Good evening, everyone. Coming from the 2-month-old college, the newest addition to Bicol University, the College of Smiles and Laughter. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with pride that the College of Dental Medicine has 7 athletes and 47 students with 2 faculties that will take part in this history as we celebrate the Bicol University Olympics 2023. It will be to your delight because we will fight. Tandaan, ang bumangga, gaba.
Thank you so much, ma'am. From the Dean of the College of Dental Medicine, Dr. Charlene A. Losilio. Now, before we start our highlighted part of this event, may I request first to give a message on behalf of our Regent, Joey Sarte Salceda. May I now request the Honorable Municipal Mayor of Pulangi, Albay, none other than Honorable Adrian Salceda. Palapakan natin, everyone.
Isang maganda at mapagmahal na gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Mayor Adrian Salceda sa bayan ng Pulangi and at the same time the LMP President for Albay Chapter. Ako po ay ipinagpadala ng ating butihing congressman para po ipagpaabot ang kanyang mensahe para po sa inyong lahat. Allow me to read his message. Thank you to the Bicol University for its continued support for me and my initiatives for the district and for the province of Albay. Thank you for your warm and heartfelt greetings today. The Bicol University Olympics always coincides with my birthday season. I am very thankful for that. The youthful embrace that is on display during this event reinvigorates my sense of purpose as a public servant, as the young people occupy extremely important places in my ecosystem of governance. In short, I've spent my entire life helping build up this university. With my 6th term as congressman ends in 2025, I will also have served almost 18 years as regent of this university, on top of the 9 years as governor. But I am not done, and neither should you be done building up this great institution. I thank you for allowing me to witness this heart and will and spirit that you will demonstrate during these games. Thank you for all your birthday greetings. Mabuhay ang Bicol University. Thank you.
Thank you so much once again, Honorable Mayor of Pulangi, Albay, Honorable Adrian Salceda, on behalf of Regent Joey Sarte Salceda. Next, of course, our last but definitely not the least, another message of support from Honorable Greg Slagman. On behalf, nandito po si Vice Governor Glenda Ong Bongao. Palapakan natin. Once again, the message of our Governor. On behalf, andito po ang ating napakagandang VG Bongao, ma'am.
Magandang gabi, BU family! Of course, headed by ang atin pong presidente, Baby Boy. Kung ako ay Baby Glenda, siya po ay Baby Boy. I must say that this is the biggest sporting events in the entire Bicol region and probably one of the grandest in the entire nation. Bicol University takes its pride from its top-notch faculty, employees, and most of all, its unparalleled and diverse students. BU students have proven over the years na iba talaga pag taga-BU. Certified Oragon pag BU Wenyo. I am so excited to personally witness the most talked about and super trending na BU Hataw, spearheaded by BU IP ESR and its directress, the Karina Sales of Bicol University. So best of luck to all the students as you unleash your beast mode to win medals in the coming days. Tandaan po natin, gaining friends and experience along is already a victory itself. May the force be with you all. Mabuhay ang Bicol University. Mabuhay ang BU-Wenyos.
Thank you so much once again to our Honorable Vice Governor Glenda Ombongao, representing our Governor Greg Slagman.
Maraming salamat po. And at this point in time, BU-Wenyos, Albayanos, we shall have the hoisting of delegation banners by the college sports coordinators and the college student council presidents.
At the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
The hoisting of delegation banners.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's proceed to the athlete's oath of amateurism. This will be facilitated by Miss Rose Ann Cantoria, 10-kilometer run and 5,000-meter run silver medalist, National East Quaa BS Mining Engineering student.
All athlete participants, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, please state your name. An athlete. Representing my factional team, please state your sports. In this BU Olympics 2023, do hereby declare that I am an amateur and do pledge myself to compete in the spirit of true sportsmanship. I further declare to abide by the rules of the games, to cheer the victors, and to accept defeat wholeheartedly, and to contribute my efforts to the success of this tournament. So help me God.
Thank you very much, Ms. Rose Ann Canturia, 10-kilometer run and 500-meter run silver medalist from the recently concluded National Squaa 2023.
Ladies and gentlemen, the lighting of the Bicol University Olympics Friendship Flame by Bicol University together with the Philippine, with Benguet State University.
Witnessing again the 2023 Bicol University Olympics with the theme, BUNYos Stronger Together Through Sports for Humanity.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are witnessing the lighting of the Bicol University Olympics Friendship Flame by Bicol University together with Benguet State University.
The University Sports Coordinator Professor Hilario Revilla III. Passing on to the Dean of the College of Human Kinetics, all the way from Benguet State University. Carrying the torch is Mr. Elijan Bulalake. And now, ladies and gentlemen, holding the torch, the Director of the Bicol University Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation, Professor Karina L. Sales. Holding the torch now is none other than the SUC President for Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III. Make some noise, BUNYos! Ladies and gentlemen, the 2023 Bicol University Olympics with the theme BUNYos Stronger Together Through Sports for Humanity.
And syempre naman, make some noise. Isa-isayin na natin ang ating mga deans and directors of the academic colleges. Let's start with the College of Dental Medicine. Nasaan ang Bicol University Guba? Asa naman ang Bicol University Pulangi? Sigaw-sigaw ang mga taga Bicol University Ginubatan. Magpapauli ba ang Bicol University Tabaco? Ang College of Engineering? Ang College of Social Sciences and Philosophy? Nasaan ang mga taga-College of Industrial Technology? Hello. Of course, the College of Business, Economics, and Management. And of course, Institute of Design and Architecture. Ang the home of the champions, Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation. Nasaan ang mga taga-College of Arts and Letters? How about the College of Science? Jesse M. Robredo, Institute of Governance and Development. College of Education. How about College of Nursing? Also the College of Law. Also the College of Medicine. Siyempre, ang ating Open University and the Graduate School. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear a message and the official declaration of Bicol University Olympics Opening 2023 by Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUC President 4.
Diyos maray nabanggi sa Indogabos. Wala. Hapon pa pala. So to all our guests from Benguet State University, President Kumila, to our ever supportive Congressman Saldico, Jill Bungalon, the birthday boy, our regent, Congressman Joey Sarte Salceda, as represented by Nonoy Cap, o Mayor of Pulangi. To my Bicol University family, huwag na nating pabahabain pa. The 2023 Bicol University Olympics open!
Ladies and gentlemen, our SUC President 4, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III. Once again, we're still here live at the Bicol University Advanced Sports Complex for the 2023 Bicol University Olympics with the team Biuenos, stronger together, 2 sports for humanity. Now, to give us the opening salvo of the most awaited part of this event, we have Mr. Isaiah Kadag for the fire dancing performance.
touch it, got it, nigga, touch it. I do my thing, I love myself. 그냥 볼 때마다 소스를 봐, taking all that. Yeah, get to my 숨이 멎는 게 참 일상에서 봐. 이런 게 맞아, 어차피 전부 다 나에게. 거리 못하는 게 다니게, running
Like a rodeo, baby. I wanna be on the top of my right now, we gon' waste no time to get like a rodeo. Hands up, everybody know, let me see your hands up. Everybody know, let me see your hands up. Everybody know, let me see your hands up. Hands up, hands up. Everybody know, let me see your hands up. Everybody know, let me see your hands up. Everybody know, let me see your hands up. Right now, 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 right now. Time to get off of the road.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Isaiah Kadok with a fine dancing performance. Now, may I request our students na bumalik na sa inyong kanya-kanya mga pwesto dahil magsisimula na ating inaabangan ngayong gabi ito. Kaya naman, Bicol University, handa na ba kayo? And also, may I request yung ating mga nandito sa taas ng complex na kilid lang tayo ng slide dyan. Dahil meron po tayong quinties o yung parang ipapakita natin fireworks na nandyan po mismo sa railings. Okay? So huwag po natin hawakan yung mga railings dahil meron po tayong dyan ipapakita later on na part ng ating fireworks display. Okay.
Buenos! Are you ready? Hataw na!
follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow me. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. And up, down, up, down. Everybody now, put your hand in the air. One hand in the air. And we come from left to right. Watch this. Left, right, left, right. Two more times, two more times. Left, right, 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 left. Oh! Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. 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 Come on now, jump for the left, jump for the right, jump for the left, jump for the right. Everybody, jump for the left, jump for the right, jump for the left, jump for the right. Now clap and wave. Come on, clap and wave. Clap and wave. Come on, clap and wave. Everybody come. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader.
hold it down. I'll do it till the sun goes down and all through the night time. Yeah, yeah. I couldn't leave you on so many days. I couldn't run you over, so you did, I'm unstoppable. I'm a person with no brakes. I'm invincible. I'm in every single day. It's a power. I don't need batteries today. I'm so confident. I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today.
One goal, one beat, that's the sound of unity. This is the sound of victory. Here we go. One love, one soul, one people. One love, one goal, one people. So this is how we roll. We rough, we tough, we bold. We come, we take control. And take it up to the world. We got style, we got soul. Dancing is in our home. One move is all we know. And take it up to the world. Bring the beat that drives us. Beat that makes us alive. One sound that will unite us and keep us jumping and fight. A beat like the heart inside us. We keep to how we survive. And nothing will divide us. So when the beat make us come alive. One love, one soul, one people. Can you feel the beat? One world, one love, one people. Bring the beat. When we come, we have no fear. We conquer everywhere. Energy up in the air. And take it up to the world. Let everybody know. No matter where we go, we never see the show. And take it up to the world.
Hello? Thank you, Regent Joey Santa Salceda. Happy birthday! Come on, everybody!
You know, say we were bound to be together. She took her hearts. I don't know how it happened. We'll take the bubble one more time. Don't you dare. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you hold me. said, shut up and dance with me. This moment is the destiny. She said, shut up and dance with me. Come on, be
It's fun, alright. Kung ayaw nyo na lang pom-poms, pakiipon dito sa stage. Yung mga pom-poms na ayaw nyo na pag-ipon dito.
I'm decision I realize this is my last chance. She took my arms. I don't know how it happened. She take a breath and she said, hey, hey, let's go with the money now. Come on. Everybody, hey, hey, hey. Don't you dare excite. Keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. Just like, shut up and dance with me. This moment is my destiny. Just say, shut up and dance with me. Come on, Before University. I said you're holding back. Just like, shut up and dance with me. This moment is my destiny. Just say, shut up and dance with me.
Well, congratulations, Bicol University!
Shut up and dance with me. Shut up and dance with me.
She's calling up about something that you said. She wasn't getting you like I do. I'm in the room, it's a typical Tuesday night. And listen to the kind of music she doesn't like. She never know your story like I do. Come on, Neil! She wants, I want, she said, that the day that you wake up and find out you're beautiful, that's the reason why it's like the sea. Dear, all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with us. We're gone. I walk through the streets with the world and I just thinking that this is as it had to be. Passing on a path, thinking to myself, that is it is easy. And you've got a smile at the road of this whole time. I haven't seen it in a while since you got to the top. It's over there.